Bigfoot here. This is my first vlog on this channel. I just want to introduce myself and say, hey. Morning, friends. Check out my breakfast. Fresh morels and chestnuts straight from the forest floor. Nothing like a cold river shower to wake these old bones. Who's ready for a day of adventure? Sweet as summer sun. These berries will keep me going till dusk. Who's ready for a day of adventure? Elk passed through here this morning. 5 of them. Still warm. Smells like cedar and sweat.
Watch closely now. Angle at 45, light wrist flick.
Not bad for an old timer, eh?
This old stick's seen more trails than most hikers. She just needed a little love.